Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit in CapCut. So after you downloaded the CapCut apps, just open and you can click new project, and then you can add some photos or some videos that you want to edit. For example, I select this photos and I'm going to add this video. Click add in below, and then you can check out the preview panel, timeline, and then toolbar in the button, so you can edit with the with an animation. You can split the video or photo, you can add audio, you can add text, sticker, overlay, effect, filter, and then you can getting many more from CapCut. Okay, that's how to edit in CapCut. After finish editing the video, you can click the export button in the top right corner like this. So if this video helpful for you, you can click thanks button for appreciate and ask your thanks. Bye bye.